How to use Chat GPT to write an essay. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick video because it's actually super easy to do. All you basically got to know is the capabilities and limitation of Chat GPT. But once you know that, then it's actually very easy to do. And it's not even hard, it's just something you got to know. But over here, I have already asked AI to write an essay on tigers. Now, the key thing for essays is, for example, instead of asking, write an essay about, in this case, sharks maybe, instead of asking this, you can ask, write an essay of 2,000 words. And once you have this question over here, you can simply click on there and it will sort of like, well, not in real time, but it will write it out for you faster than a human can do, of course, but it won't pop up in like a second. It might actually take a little bit before it's completely done. So I'll just speed this up real quick for you guys. It is currently done, and this is all it wrote or typed out. And yeah, this is pretty cool. Now I, of course, recommend to just read through it before you actually use it. But the cool thing is that on the left, it created a chat and it saved it for me in my account. So I also have over here the 2,000 word essay about tigers. And here I also asked this one before and this one as well. So I can switch between these. This is great. And now you can also, for example, go in more detail. So you could, for example, use this as an introduction in your essay. And you can also start a new chat and, for example, type in something like write an essay about the teeth of a shark, you know, to go into more detail. And you can combine all of these different essays that you have created, which is cool. Now, there's also something which is cool as well, is if you go to the URL link and change this to beta, and then instead of /chat to playground, just like this. This is cool because this will open up the beta version of Chat GPT. Now over here on the right, you can choose a model, and a model is basically the newest version of Chat GPT, like the AI, which it uses. So the TextDaVinci 003 is the most recent one, the most updated one. And here it is. It says a brief introduction, what it's all about, and the strengths. So, for example, this one over here, it says, strengths language translation. So let's say you need something with language translation, then you can easily use this AI instead of this one actually, because this one might be stronger with language translation than this one. So all of these have like different strengths and advantages over each other, which is great. So you can sort of like read all of these and mess around with these, and it's pretty cool. And here you have the temperature, you have the maximum length. You can make it way longer than this currently, and you have the frequency penalties. I don't even know what this is all about, but you can read that for yourself and see if it's useful for you. And yeah, maybe this is even better than just the regular OpenAI over here. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you next time.